guys, I'm Hallie. I'm gonna be your host today, interviewing Jessica Engle, the director of Bay Area Dating Coach. We have a few questions that we're gonna go through, and Jessica's gonna give us her best advice based on the hundreds of people she's worked with on dating. How do you know when you're in love?
I think there's two pieces to being in love. There's the feeling of being in love, and then there's the action of being in love, okay? So I think the feeling of being in love is pretty obvious, okay?
Yeah.
For a lot of people, it manifests as thinking about the person all the time, wanting to spend all your time with them, thinking about the future with them. And then I think the doing side of love is, can you show up consistently for that person in a way that's kind and generous? And if you see yourself doing that, then that's a pretty good sign.
I specifically really want to ask about how to take care of yourself and recover, your self-esteem at the end of the day after you've gone through a tough breakup.
Going through a breakup can be one of the most painful things we can go through. I think that we're sort of taught in a breakup that what you're supposed to do to take care of yourself is eat a lot of ice cream, cry on the couch, right? Moan to your friends.
Every 90s movie ever.
That's right. Say anything. I think those things can be really great and important. I think it's also important to spend time with people who know what you're going through, who you can be honest with, and who are gonna remind you of your value, okay? Because a lot of people can take a breakup very personally. It's about me or my worth, and it's not. It's about a happening in a relationship that you can recover from.